some confusions or questions comes to the student's mind when they write the structure of structural formula of organic compounds, or to understand the structure of graphic structure, bond line structure, or you can say skeleton structure or condensed structure. To understand all this structural format of organic compounds, students sometimes become confused. Some very easy questions, some very easily solved confusions. To remove these confusions, I am making this video discussions. Hello everybody, I am Atanu Betal. You are welcome to this channel. And before starting the discussions, I would like to remind you that if you do not subscribe this channel, or you are new to this channel, then subscribe it now and press the bell button. So we start the discussions regarding this topic. The confusions number one, that sir, can we write the CH3 from this position to this position and hydrogen in this position? Yes, you can write it, it has no problem. You can write CH3 here, hydrogen here, you can inverse it also, hydrogen here and CH3 here. This is the graphic formula, and here this one is a simple confusion question, that can we write methyl from this upside to downside? Yes, you can write, no changes occur. The next question is, can I write this CH3 group here in the side? Yes, you can write CH3 group here. You can write CH3 group in this position, it has no problem. The next question is, sir, can we write this ethyl group in this chain? Yes, you can write similarly, like methyl group we are writing from hydrogen here, from methyl group in this position to this position. We can also write this this position ethyl group and this position methyl group. Okay, suppose we are writing here methyl group and here ethyl group. Okay, here at first ethyl group is here and methyl group is here. Right now the methyl group is here and ethyl group is in the straight form. So both are correct. Okay, both are correct. So these are the questions coming from the graphic formula, some confusions to the student mind when they write the structural formula of organic compounds, means graphic formula of organic compounds. So these are the confusions in the time of writing graphic formula. And next is when you write the structure of condensed formula, like CH3 whole 3. CH3 whole 3, this means that CH2 whole 3, that means CH2 we have to write 3 times this CH2 group. Okay, CH2 whole 3 and CHO. Okay, so here CH3 is present, means 3 CH2 group present, and for this reason this CH3 CH2 sorry, this one is CH2 group, 3 CH2 group present, and for this reason CH2 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 and CHO. So for this reason this 3 is written. Okay, so next question regarding to next confusions regarding to this the bond line formula. Regarding to this bond line formula, here you have to write each corner by carbon, means each ending point and beginning point of the line must be a carbon, means this one is carbon, this one is carbon, this one carbon, this one carbon, 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 carbon. Okay, and next you have to fill the residual valencies by hydrogen. Structure completed. Now the question is that sir, can we write this organic compound in state form? Yes, you can write it. In state chain form we have to number it like 1 2 3 4. Okay, so our state chain is 1 2 3 4, 4 carbons, 1 2 3 4, and in the 2 number carbon 2 methyl group present 1 2. In the 3 number carbon means this one 2 methyl groups present. Okay, and in the 4 number carbon it's CH3. So we can represent this organic compound in the means in the graphic form in this way. Okay, so you have no problem to write this. These are all have same meaning. So these are some confusions that comes to the student's mind, and this is generally for the beginners of organic compounds, beginners of organic chemistry, the beginners who studied the organic chemistry first time. For these students this problem is very common. So for this reason I am making these discussions. There are some confusions to your mind when you write the structure of organic compounds. So these are the confusion point or questions, and I am trying to solve as much as I can. I found it when some students ask questions in this topic, that we have some confusions regarding the structure writing. So for this reason I am making this discussion. So that's it. Thank you for watching this discussion.